The AA-8000 series aluminum alloy electrical conductor standard came into play in 1993. This standard defines the requirements for aluminum alloy conductors used in electrical wiring applications. The AA-8000 series alloys are specifically designed to improve the performance and reliability of aluminum conductors, addressing some of the challenges associated with earlier aluminum wiring. Firstly, it's important to understand why aluminum is used as an electrical conductor. Aluminum is a lightweight and relatively inexpensive material compared to copper, making it an attractive alternative for electrical wiring, especially in applications where weight and cost are significant factors. However, aluminum also has some drawbacks, including a higher coefficient of thermal expansion and a tendency to form an insulating oxide layer on its surface. Secondly, the introduction of the AA-8000 series alloys aim to mitigate these drawbacks. These alloys typically contain small amounts of other elements such as iron, silicon, and copper, which enhance their mechanical strength, corrosion resistance, and electrical conductivity. The specific composition of the alloy is carefully controlled to optimize its performance characteristics. Thirdly, one of the key improvements offered by AA-8000 series alloys is their improved resistance to creep. Creep is the tendency of a material to deform permanently under sustained stress, and it can be a significant problem in electrical connections where terminals and connectors are tightened to a specific torque. Over time, creep can cause the aluminum conductor to relax, leading to a loss of contact pressure and increased electrical resistance. Fourthly, the higher electrical resistance generates heat, which can further accelerate the creep process and potentially lead to a fire hazard. AA-8000 series alloys are formulated to minimize creep, ensuring that electrical connections remain tight and reliable over the long term. Fifthly, another important aspect of the AA-8000 series standard is its emphasis on proper installation practices. Even with improved alloys, it is essential to use the correct connectors and terminals that are specifically designed for use with aluminum conductors. These connectors typically have features such as serrated surfaces and corrosion-inhibiting compounds that help to maintain a good electrical connection and prevent oxidation. Sixthly, proper tightening torque is also crucial to ensure that the connection is secure without overstressing the conductor. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides detailed guidelines for the installation of aluminum wiring, including the selection of appropriate connectors and terminals and the recommended tightening torques. Seventhly, the AA-8000 series standard also addresses the issue of corrosion. Aluminum is susceptible to corrosion in certain environments, particularly in the presence of moisture and dissimilar metals. The oxide layer that forms on the surface of aluminum is typically a good insulator, but it can also break down under certain conditions, leading to corrosion and increased electrical resistance. Eighthly, AA-8000 series alloys are formulated to be more resistant to corrosion than earlier aluminum alloys. In addition, proper installation practices, such as using corrosion-inhibiting compounds and avoiding contact with dissimilar metals, can further reduce the risk of corrosion. Ninthly, it's important to note that the AA-8000 series standard is not a replacement for proper wiring practices. Even with the improved alloys and connectors, it is still essential to follow all applicable codes and standards when installing aluminum wiring. This includes ensuring that the wiring is properly sized for the intended load, that the connections are made correctly, and that the wiring is protected from physical damage. Tenthly, the standard serves as a benchmark for manufacturers and installers, ensuring a level of quality and consistency in aluminum wiring systems. The introduction of the AA-8000 series standard in 1993 marked a significant step forward in the use of aluminum as an electrical conductor. By addressing the limitations of earlier aluminum alloys and promoting proper installation practices, the standard has helped to improve the safety and reliability of aluminum wiring systems. The AA-8000 series alloys offer a number of advantages over earlier aluminum alloys, including improved creep resistance, corrosion resistance, and electrical conductivity. However, it is important to remember that even with these improvements, it is still essential to follow all applicable codes and standards when installing aluminum wiring. Furthermore, These alloys are designed to minimize the risks associated with aluminum wiring, but proper installation techniques remain paramount. Aluminum's higher coefficient of thermal expansion compared to copper means that connections can loosen over time if not properly installed. The oxide layer that forms on aluminum is also an insulator, so connections need to be made with appropriate pressure and corrosion inhibitors to ensure good conductivity. In addition, the AA-8000 series alloys are often used in conjunction with specially designed connectors and terminals that are specifically listed for use with aluminum conductors. These connectors typically have features such as serrated surfaces and pressure plates that help to maintain a good electrical connection and prevent loosening. It's also vital to use the correct tightening torque when making connections. Over-tightening can damage the conductor, while under-tightening can lead to a loose connection. The NEC provides detailed guidelines for the installation of aluminum wiring, including the selection of appropriate connectors and terminals and the recommended tightening torques. Always consult the manufacturer's instructions and the NEC for specific requirements. Moreover, the AA-8000 series aluminum alloy electrical conductor standard is relevant to various aspects of electrical engineering and construction. It's significant because it enabled wider and safer use of aluminum wiring. Aluminum is lighter and often more cost-effective than copper, making it a viable alternative in many applications. The standard helped overcome some of the challenges associated with early aluminum wiring, such as its tendency to creep and corrode. Creep refers to the slow deformation of a material under constant stress. In electrical connections, creep can cause the wires to loosen over time, leading to increased resistance and potential fire hazards. The AA-8000 series alloys are designed to resist creep, ensuring that electrical connections remain tight and secure. Aluminum can also corrode in certain environments, particularly in the presence of moisture and dissimilar metals. The AA-8000 series alloys are formulated to be more resistant to corrosion, which further improves the safety and reliability of aluminum wiring. The standard emphasizes the importance of using proper installation techniques. This includes using the correct connectors and terminals that are specifically designed for use with aluminum conductors. These connectors typically have features such as serrated surfaces and corrosion-inhibiting compounds that help to maintain a good electrical connection and prevent oxidation. Understanding and adhering to the AA-8000 series standard is crucial for electrical engineers, contractors, and inspectors. It helps to ensure that aluminum wiring systems are installed safely and correctly, minimizing the risk of electrical hazards. The NEC references the AA-8000 standard, incorporating its requirements into the overall guidelines for electrical installations. The standard plays a role in various applications, including residential, commercial, and industrial wiring. From homes and offices to factories and power plants, the AA-8000 series alloys are used in a wide range of electrical systems. The choice between aluminum and copper wiring often depends on factors such as cost, weight, and performance requirements. Aluminum is typically more cost-effective for larger conductors, while copper is often preferred for smaller conductors where space is a constraint. The AA-8000 series standard allows for a more informed and reliable comparison between aluminum and copper wiring options. In summary, the AA-8000 series aluminum alloy electrical conductor standard, established in 1993, is a crucial component of modern electrical engineering and construction. It addresses the specific challenges of using aluminum as a conductor, promotes safer and more reliable installations, and provides a framework for manufacturers, installers, and inspectors to follow. The standard contributes to the overall safety and efficiency of electrical systems, making it an essential topic for anyone involved in the electrical industry.